morning children. How are you doing? I hope all are fine. And I am Noor Jahan. I am teaching you today. That is a math subject for second standard. Okay. I hope all of you studied the numbers. Yes, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. You have already thorough with your numbers, and after that you have studied the which number is the greatest, which number is the smallest. Means the number which is having a more value, that is the greatest number, and the value which is having the smallest is, that is the smallest number. The same way you are studying here the some warm up syllabus, because before going to the chapters we'll study some warm up. Means how now some people have forgotten, ellaru ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮರ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ, ಇವತ್ತೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಪ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ನ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ನ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ I hope all are having textbook with you. Okay, now open page number 1. Page number 1. Here what you are seeing is, that is a one canal is there, one bullock cart is there. Bullock cart is nothing but ethin gadi. In a rural areas you people have been seeing it. And one duck is there, and one bird is there, and a cow is there. And here you are having a tree and some of the flowers you are having, right? These are all you are seeing here. And one animal, that is a deer, you are seeing. Okay, the first thing, the bird is it visible? The bird is sitting dash on or under the cart. What they are saying? The bird is sitting dash on or under the cart. Under the After seeing the picture, you have to, what they are given, fill in the blanks. Means you have to choose the correct answer. On and under. Is it visible? The bird is visible. Yes. Whether it is sitting on the bullock cart or under. Under means it is, means if you are having the table. Okay, you are saying it is a on. Under means, yeah, sometimes you people are playing the hide and seek, right? And where you are going, on the under the table, that is called as the under the table. And here the bird is sitting on the cart, right? The correct answer is on. Then fill this blank with the on. Okay, next one. On means, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿದೆ? ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಳ್ತಿದೆ. ಆನ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎತ್ತಿನ ಗಾಡಿ, ಎತ್ತಿನ ಬಂಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ರೆಡ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ರೆಡ್ flowers, that is below or above the tree. Here the trees are there. 2 trees are visible. ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಟ್ರೀ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಹೂ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನೋ. ರೈಟ್? ಬಿಲೋ ಆರ್ ಅಬೋವ್. ಅಬೋವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಿಡದ ಮೇಲೆ, ಬಿಲೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಿಡದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ there are some red flowers. Where are the red flowers? Here. Means it is a tree and they are the flowers below the tree. The right answer is below. Below the tree. Okay. In the next one, that is the dog is dash inside or outside the kennel. Here where the dog is sitting, this room, we are providing the room for our domestic animals, right? ಈಗ ಕೋಳಿ ಸಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ನಾಯಿನ ಸಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ರೂಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಆ ರೂಮಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ? ಕೆನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ. KENNEL ಕೆನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ. ಇದೇನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ದ ಡಾಗ್ ಈಸ್ dash inside or outside the kennel. Inside or outside kennel means here it is, here see whether the dog is inside or outside. Outside means coming out of the kennel, and where the dog is exactly, that is inside. The answer is inside. Inside the kennel. Next one, the rooster. The rooster is standing dash inside or outside the kennel. Means rooster means duck, the domestic duck. Like you people have been seen the koli hunja, right? Hunjaಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? Rooster ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. The rooster is standing inside or outside the kennel. Here you can see the duck is there. Okay. If dog is inside, obviously the rooster is nothing but a duck. Okay. And it is sitting outside the kennel, right? Yes. Your correct answer is outside the kennel. Okay. Next one. I hope everyone is understanding. Okay. Next one, they are given the clouds are. Next one, the clouds. Clouds means now the rainy season. How the rain has come? From the clouds. ಮೋಡಗಳಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಳೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? The clouds are above or on the tree. Okay. Before this, you should understand what do you mean by above or on. If anything is placed just on my head, this is on my head. Above means it is having some gap. Okay. And here you can see the clouds. Whether they are sitting on the tree? No, right? They are above. It is a gap here. Yes, it is above. That means what? Your right answer is the clouds are above the tree. Above the tree. The correct answer is above. And the next one, that is the wheels. The wheels of the cart are at the wheels of the cart are at the dash top or bottom of the cart. Okay. Wheels of the, I forgot the cart. The wheels of the cart are at the dash top or bottom of the cart. Means wheels you have seen the ಚಕ್ರಗಳು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕಿದೆ? ಎತ್ತಿನ ಗಾಡಿಗೆ ಇರಬಹುದು, wheels ಇರಬಹುದು, ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ wheels of the cart ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? wheels ಮೇಲಿದೆಯಾ? ಎತ್ತಿನ ಗಾಡಿ ಮೇಲಿದೆಯಾ? No, right? The bottom of the cart. Bottom. The answer is bottom. Mark and write the answer is the bottom. Is it? Here you have just identify the picture. Now what are the things you have seen? That is kennel and the dog, duck, bird, cart, trees and flowers. next thing they are saying, is it understood? Okay, I am rubbing this and next I am going for the next. Open the page number 2. Here they have given some mice. Is it visible? Okay, and this is a piece of cheese. Is the piece of cheese. What they are saying, color the mice, color the mice that is nearest to the cheese, nearest to the cheese. Here, if it is a bread piece, if it is a bread piece, and here some human beings are there. Okay. Or considered as a doll. Here, nearest means very near. The distance is very less. Far means it is having a more distance to the thing. Means here considered as a bread, and it is a some human or a doll. I am writing as a doll. Here I am naming 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here, the bread piece is nearer to the doll 1, nearer to the doll 1, and it is far. Which is the doll it is having a far means it is having a more distance is that is a far distance. Here, the third doll is it is away. It is away, and it is near. Far away means they are asking the same thing. They are asking color the mice that is nearest to the cheese. Here cheese, I hope everyone is know what is the cheese. Cheese is nothing but a milk product. Like what are the milk products? That is butter, that is paneer, that is a cheese, right? Like that, the cheese is also a milk product. Here I have given the bread as an example, and here in a picture you are having a cheese. Okay, where they are using for the for pizza, burger, they are using the cheese here. And this one is the nearest mice, and so please color this mice with the any type of a color. Which is your favorite color? Maybe red, green, pink, yellow. Just color it. Then after this you are identifying here which is the nearest and which is the farthest. And if I ask you to color the forest, if I am asking you they are given you the question nearest. If I am asking which mice is far away from the cheese is this one, the fifth mice. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th. Then the fifth mice is far. Then if I ask you, then color this. But here in the question they are asking you only the nearest mice. Nearest mice, just color this mice. Okay. And the next one. Next question, they are asking you to use the color codes. Use the color codes to color the boxes to the right of the table. One has been done as an example. The first one here, the apple. Here apple container is there. Juices you have, slice or apple, and the apple juice is there in a one container. Okay, and here that shape is here, that is cuboid. The shape is here. Before going to that, I just tell you the first thing, rectangle shaped it is, rectangle shaped, and it is a cuboid, and this is a square shaped, that is a cube. Just identify that. This is a cuboid, and this is cube, and this is cylinder. In your home, all the gas cylinders are there. Okay, that is a cylinder shape, and this is cone. This is ice cream cones you are calling, or a mehndi cones you are calling. They are the cones. Cones means here it is a circular. Don't get confused. This is a cylindrical base and the triangular shape. And the next one, okay, one is that is sphere. The round shape, it is called as a sphere. Cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone and sphere. Okay. And now here they have given the color code for this, that is cuboid is blue in color and the cube is Rubik's cube you were playing, that is in a green color, and the cylinder is in a pink color and the sphere is in a purple color, and the that is cone is in not a triangle, that is a cone, it is in yellow color. And now one example they have given, that is a apple can, it is they have given the blue color because it is in a rectangle shape, right? And the next one, that is Rubik's cube, that is a Rubik's cube shaped. And what is the color of the cube here? That is a green. Just color this cube, this shape, that is rectangle shape, but color this box with the green color. Next, paint some paint dabba, paint box they have given, paint container, and which is the shape here? Yes, cylinder, because both the upper and lowers are in circular shape. That's why the color of this is, that will be, which one is the pink color, pink in color. Just color this box with the pink color. Next one, that is one sphere, that is the one ball they have given, okay, and that is color this ball with the purple because they are saying the sphere color is, that is purple. And the next one, they have given some containers, maybe jam or a pickle. Pickle means uppinkai, jam means the mixed fruits, okay. That is here, what is the shape of this? That is again cylinder, okay. And one more I forgotten here, that is a birthday cap. Birthday cap is in a cone shape. The birthday cap is in a cone shape. And what is the shape of it? That is a cone, okay. And what is the color of the cone here? Yellow, okay. One more time I'm repeating, that is a Rubik's cube in a green color, and this is the paint dabba, that is in a cylindrical shape, pink, and the sphere, that is a purple color, and the cone shape, that is a yellow in color, and one more, that is a containers, the pickle container or a jam container, they are again in a cylindrical shape, okay. And the next thing they are asking you, here in the next question, fourth question, they are saying write yes for the object that is slides and R for the object that roll. Yes for the sliding object and write R for the rolling. Okay. If I have here, I have two things in my hand, that is one is, that is duster, and one is marker. And here what are the objects they are going to slide is, here the objects which are having a plain surface, if I just move it, then it is saying it is sliding, this is sliding, okay. And here the surface is round, and these objects, what are the surfaces are round, they are, if you move it or push it, then they are going to be rolled, rolled, okay. In your home your mothers will be cooking the chapati, right? That is rolling because they are rolling it, okay. And here also the surface is round. And here the duster, what are the things we are sliding is, I am having a book here, this is, if I move this, then it will be saying as a sliding. In the figure also they are given, means in picture, okay, some pencil they have given and some matchbox. Here the pencil is having a round shaped, if I move it, then it is going to be roll or slide, obviously it is roll. And here this is slide because it is having a plain surface. Yes, here they have given boxes. The first one, it is roll and the second one it is slide. Okay, write yes and R. And the next thing, here one more thing they have given, the lunch box and orange, and orange is in a round shape. It is going to be roll, and here it is a plain surface. The lunch box are plains, right? And they are going to be slide. So second one write as a slide, and it is orange is rolling. Okay, ball, orange, they all are rolling. That's why write is a R. Clear? And the next thing, I hope this is clear. Okay, next one, count the object and write its number and number name. Here number and number name is, number means only one. Here it is a number and the number name is 1. That is a number name. Okay, the same way they are asking you to write the number name and number. Here they are given some smileys. Given them smileys. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Count it. You know the counting of the numbers, right? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many numbers are there? Just write the number. They are asking you the number. Number is 5. Number is 5. Okay, number name is Five. Five. And the same thing, they have given some stars. Some stars. Okay. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. How many stars are there? Okay. And here the number is how much? 9. Number is 9, and number name is 9. N-I-E, 9. Okay. And the next thing, next question is fill in the blank. Before going to that, I just show you what is the number coming after and coming before. Now I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Before means before, the back side, and after means the front side. Here if it is a 2, okay, the before number is 1 and the 3 is the after number. After 2, what is the number we are getting? 3. And for 2, which is the before number? What is the number we are coming first? That is a 1. Here for 7, what comes after 7? That is 8. And what comes before 7? That is 6. That is 6. Clear? And now we'll do this with the fill in the blanks. The first thing they are saying, dash comes after 7. Dash comes after 7. Just now I said you what comes after 7? What is after 7? What is the number you are reading? That is 8. What is the first answer is dash comes after 7. 7 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ number 7 after 7. Which number you are getting? That is the front number. Which one is 8? The number 8. Is it clear? And the next one, dash comes before 3. Before 3. 3 ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? That is 2. Dash comes before 3. Which number you are getting? That is a 2. That is a 2. And the next one, dash comes after 10. Dash comes after 10. Which number you are getting? After 10, which number? That is number 11. Okay. Next one, my number is 45. 45. I am. My number name they have given, that is my number. My number name is 45 and I am. Write the number. You know the number, right? 45. 45. Next, I am between 22 and 23. I am between 22 and 24. What is the number? Which number it comes in between? After 20 and before 24 it is 20. We are saying it is a in between. In between. And the next one, I am just before 27. I am before 27. Which number will you get before 27? That is 26. And the next one, I'm just after 39. I'm just after 39. 39 ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? That is 40. That is 40. Okay. And the next thing, here we are saying next one is 4 tens and 2 ones make the number. 4 tens and 2 ones. 2 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 ಇದೆ. 4 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 10 makes the number. 4 into 10 is 40 and 2 into 1 is 2. And that's why we are adding it. 40 plus 2 is 42. Next number ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 42. Okay. Next one. 3 tens and 0 ones. Whatever you are multiplying with the 0, you are getting the 0. Right? And here 3 tens means 3 into 10, 30 plus 0 into 1, 0. The number will be 30. ಯಾವುದನ್ನೇ ಆಗಲಿ 0 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? 0. That's why just 0. And whatever you are adding to the 0, you are going to get the same number. And the next one, okay, next thing we'll discuss in a next class. And before that, just take the homework. Fill in the blanks. Dash comes after 56 and dash comes before 45. And next, dash comes in between 101 and 103. 46 comes after dash and 45, 40 comes before dash. Okay. And next, identify smallest and greatest number. Okay. First one, 4, 7, 9, 21. And next, 31, 35, 101 and 1. Third one, 4, 6, 9, 20. Fourth one, 5, 8, 11 and 25. Okay, is it visible? Okay, just solve this, fill in the blank, and which is the smallest and greatest number. You know, right? Which is the smaller and which is the greater in the groups. Just write the greatest number and smallest number. remaining things we'll discuss in a next class. Okay.